Hey, welcome back to Web Squadron. I want to talk to you a bit more about testimonial carousels. Now, I've done this one a little bit to death, I know that, in how you can use the testimonial carousel option to create some really bespoke sliders. So you're not using it for testimonials, you're going to create bespoke sliders. I just said it, didn't I? Why? Because you can be a lot more dynamic with the content. And what I've said in previous videos is that how about you get rid of the content within these sliders, so get rid of all of that, get rid of the text, get rid of the name, get rid of the title as well, and what you do instead, get rid of the image, get rid of everything. What you do is you create a template with your content, get the shortcode to that template, dump it into the tab or slide 1 or item 1, and then do the same for item 2, item 3, item 4, item 5, and you can have totally bespoke sliders. You could have an accordion in slider 1. Why would you do that? You could have a testimonial in slider 2. You could have a product in slider 3. You could have an advert in slider 4. Boom, 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 and a video. You can go on and on and on, but you can have mixed content. So it is so powerful, and I don't think a lot of people realize just how good the testimonial carousel is. Totally bespoke. But what if you didn't want to do the template? What if you just wanted to add in some text, like a header, an image and whatever, but you didn't want to have to create a template? Well, there's a dead easy way to do it. If I go to words2html.net, this is totally free, words2html.net, okay? I'm just going to dump in some code that I had already tested out, okay? This is a bit of code I've just dumped in, but this code would actually self-generate itself. So if I was to get rid of this and you started to type here, it will generate the code on the right hand side. I'm just going to leave this one in for now because I'm cheating, because I just want to show you the answer. What I did here was I entered in some text, okay, and I got some HTML from somewhere off the net, which kind of allowed me to set some padding. So this bit here allowed me to set a background color and to do a bit of padding, because if you take the padding out, the background color is now tight against the wording, which I don't like the look of. So let me just put that padding back in. I will put a copy of this in our comments section, okay, so you can rip off the code or have a play with it. But what's really good about this, the HTML here, is I can change the title, I can change the content or whatever it is. I can even add to it here. So I might put another return in and put hello. And look, over here, it's added it in at the bottom. I could even go here and add in like a number list or whatever. I could even do a bullet list in, say, a Notepad or text editor or Word or whatever, and dump it in there. So you've written your wording, whatever, and you dump it in, and it will give us the HTML. But here's the really good bit, okay? I'm getting on to the really good bit. I could also, over here at the top, right, I'm going to create a couple of return points. I could insert an image, right? And what I would recommend you do is you basically insert an image. Doesn't matter what the image is. So let's just add in, actually, let's not add in that. That's too big. Let's go for this one here. Let's just go for this little image here, right? So it's a copy of a t-shirt that someone made. It's not my t-shirt, by the way. This is someone customer's t-shirt. What I do is I add in the image, right? I then get rid of the entire image where it says source, SRC. I'm going to get rid of all of that text until I get to the last speech mark. So I'm just going to do that. And now I have got rid of the text, but I have got speech mark, okay? I'm now going to copy all of this as it is, right? And I'm going to go over to my testimonial box, and in the content, I'm going to dump it. And look, it has now added in my content with the space in the middle. It has got an added italics, which Testimonial Carousel always does this. So just go into your content, go to your typography, just make sure you set it then to be what you want. So let's just go for Roboto. Let's just do pixel size 18 for now. And let's just put the style to be normal. Okay, so now we've got the style back. What I'm now going to do is I'm going to go to my media library. Okay, let's just go to media library, like so, because I'm now going to get the image I want. Now, there's a reason I'm doing it in a slightly weird way. I inserted an image here and got rid of the content because I just wanted this language here, right? The HTML code. I'm not a coder, by the way, okay? Give me a break. I'm then going to go to my library, And I'm now going to pick up, let's pick up this person here. This is me, by the way. I'm now going to copy the file URL, right? I'm going to go back into my form, go back to slide 1, and I'm now going to scroll down until I get to SRC, which is there. I'm going to go into the middle of the speech marks, and I'm now going to paste that code. And lo and behold, we have a totally custom looking, because you can put that text wherever you want. You can put whatever you want into there, basically what I'm trying to get across. So if I now just duplicate this slide, boom, 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 and let's just go to additional options, no, slides, and there's going to be, slides to show will be 3, and it'll be 1 slide scrolling. So if we now view this, okay, this is a test page, by the way, all right? So don't go, oh, this is ugly. But look, this is now going to, you're probably not even going to notice it moving along because it's the same blinking image anyway. But yeah, there you go, it moved. So what I've done is I've used Testimonial Carousel and Words to HTML.net to add some custom text, custom layout, however I want it to be shown. I have to mess around with the line height. I didn't do that. I would mess around with the height as well, gap there. So you can do all of that within the style content over here. So where we had typography, in fact, I'll do it now so you don't think I'm just talking rubbish and I'm lying to you, because I'm not lying to you. But look, there you go. So you can start to mess around with how it's laid out. But it means that you can have custom content within your styling, and you don't have to worry too much about using a template. You will still need to use a template, by the way, okay, if you're trying to style it a certain way. But look, I hope this helps you use testimonial carousels in a bit more of a dynamic way. Like, subscribe. I'm Imran Siddiq, Web Squadron. We're here to help you, your clients, and your business get the most out of Elementor. Please do follow us, and I'll see you soon.